It's my first Sunday to sleep in like forever. What do I have to deal with? 1, coworker calling me, telling me Christmas Eve services are canceled for tonight. 2, mom calling, like not 2 seconds after I got off the phone with him. 3, stupid guy plowing snow off the sidewalk. 4, dogs barking. And I thought the snow was bad. I just woke up, but I wanted to show you something. Last time I showed you snow. Wow, in the mornings I can't talk. Last time I showed you snow, it was pretty pitiful. Well, I want to show you this. I'm not very good with how many feet this is probably going to be. So, you tell me how many feet of snow you think we've gotten. That section over there, right there, was plowed a couple hours ago. So it looks like we've gotten maybe another foot, or at least 6 inches since then. It's really cold. There's my car with the windshield wipers up. Yay. It's flippin' freezing. Okay, I'm gonna vlog like this with my window open. Yay. So, Friday, I spent all of my day cutting out wood, at work, like 7 hours. I was all by myself in there, and it was crazy. I was so dead tired. But I first want to say congratulations to us for making a very great Project for Awesome video. I didn't get to participate as much as I did the years before, but it was still a lot of fun, and nothing but nuts commented on us. So that's awesome. Yay. Okay, it's really cold. I'm not gonna vlog out here anymore. I thought I would venture out into the snow now. Look, I still have my pajama. Oh, there's somebody outside. Do I film while there's somebody outside? No. I finally have gone outside. I still have on my pajama pants. Look. Polka dotted flannel. I think I'm going to have trouble shoveling that out in the morning. I don't know if I want to travel any further. The snow is just so pretty. Oh, that went all the way up my boot. Dave, you wanted me to make miniature snow versions of you guys, but I don't think I can because the snow is very powdery. Look. It's just, it doesn't pack very well. So, let's talk about Sci-Fi Weekends. Sci-Fi Weekends Avatar. Yes, I want to see it. Do I think it's going to be good? I don't know. It's one of those big... I'm falling in the snow. And I only have on my pajama pants. This is not a good sign. Avatar's going to be good? I don't know. It's one of those questionable things. Because it looks really awesome with all the sci-fi, high-tech, CG thing. Do I think it's bad business for actors? Yes, I do. But I also think it gives good hope for those actors who aren't so hot-looking as everybody else. Because then they can be hot-looking people as CG people. And that sounded very weird. And now... Look at my cute little outfit. Can you see me in the snow? Ah! Alright. Look, it's like we have our own personal Christmas tree in our section. Whee! And I just realized probably all that footage is like crap footage of me. And my toes are really, really cold, so I'm going inside now. Casey? See you tomorrow. It's really, really, really cold. Oh, my toes are freezing.